Today we will learn how to open and close a book. This will help the child to become aware of how to be gentle with books and helps to respect his environment. Indirectly, it also helps in coordination and carefulness of movement. Place your right hand at the top of the page. Now place your 3 fingers under the first page and slide it down. When you reach the middle, rotate your hand in a vertical form so that your fingertips are pointing up. Now gently push the first page to the left side. First page is open. Now for closing. Place your left thumb on the first page of the book and slightly lift it up. Now slide your 3 fingers under the first page and slide it down. Once you have reached the middle, rotate your hand in a vertical form so that your fingertips are pointing up. Now slightly push it up. When you reach 45 degrees, place your right hand flat on the first page, opposite to your left hand. Now rotate both your fingers to the right. Make sure that your right hand is lying flat on the second page of the book. Once you have done that, slowly slide your right hand from under the first page